I'm Robert.
I'm Rachel.
And you're watching R&R with One-to-One.
So today we have a very useful tool for you to use when you're using spreadsheets. It's called comments.
Well, she certainly got a lot of those.
Excuse me?
No, teach.
So in today's example, we're going to open up a spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. And here you can see we have a list of customers. Maybe this list is of customers who aren't paid up to date, or perhaps you're calling them for a specific reason, and you want to add a note to a specific customer. Now you could create a whole new field at the end of the sheet, but what if you only need to make a few notes for a few clients, or some of the notes need to be long? In some cases, adding an extra field doesn't make sense, and in those times, comments can be a great way to add those notes. To add a comment to a cell, you'll select it and either go to the Review tab and click New Comment in the Comments group, or you can right-click the cell and choose Insert Comment. In the body of the comment, you just type the comment text. Then you click outside of the comment and you'll now see the little red arrow on the cell. This indicated that there is a comment there, and you can hover over it to see the comment. If you ever need to edit a comment, you can select the cell, go to the Review tab and click Edit Comment, or you right-click and choose Edit Comment. Now you can make edits to the text or format the comment as well. You can change the color, the font, or the shape of the comment using the tools in the Review tab. Once you're done making edits to the comment, you click outside to save the changes. To copy a comment to another cell, select the cell that contains the comment. Right-click and copy, and then select the cell you want to copy the comment to and right-click again. And then you'll select Paste Special, where you'll find the comments option and click OK. If you want to delete a comment, select the cell, go to the Review tab and click Delete Comment, or again, you can right-click and choose Delete Comment. There's lots of other things you can do with comments, so don't be afraid to get in there and play around with this really useful feature.
That's great, Rachel. I would have never known how to do that. I would have been the guy that just added another field.
Well, it's the faster and better way of doing the same thing.
What would we do without you and all your comments, Rachel?
I'm pretty sure you're never going to find out, Robert. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching R&R with One-to-One.
Stay curious.